Living in downtown Toronto, enjoy the vibrant city life. Listen to the city's heartbeat, but don't just worry about going to school or work and suffer from the density. Is that your dream? Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm your real estate broker in GTA. In Best Buy of this week, I'm bringing you one downtown Toronto waterfront pre-construction. It's called Whitfield. Let's first take a look at its own introduction short film. So from this video, I'm sure you'll feel just like I did. This project, the Whitfield, is quite different from the past couple pre-construction project I introduced, such as Cielo or Natasha. Those really focus on it's in the middle of universities or very close to the CBD area, so you're very convenient to go to school or work. But this one, it really brings out the vibrant living. It's just, you feel so many things are going on. Your life is so colorful. You're really immersed in the urban living lifestyle. So I think this is all it's about. You're really living. So you can see this is where we are at. We are at Front Street and Sherbourne. It's very close to Lake Ontario. It's just walking distance. You get to go to Sugar Beach, and you are also just walking distance. It's footsteps. You will be at the St. Lawrence market. My husband is French. He always envy those people who live nearby, because you go there, you have cheese from all over the world, and you have very fresh seafood and so many things you can choose from. Tourists love it, but it's just also very beneficial if you live next by. Just imagine you go downstairs and walk across the street. Here you go, the freshest produce. There's also so many other things there, such as Distillery District. And if you want to go sit at the sidewalk cafe and enjoy the sunshine, you don't need to cross the whole downtown, because it's just actual footstep. I also want to show you some of the facts of this project. I do apologize. This article is written in Chinese, but I'm going to highlight the key points. So like I mentioned, this one is Front Street living. It's very different for the ones who only focus on transit. This is a mid-sized building. Unlike those 70-floor tall buildings, if you want to live in downtown, but you don't want to share the space with other 1,000 units, and then this would be choice. We only have 38 floors. Altogether, we have 470 units. The floor plan starts from studio and to go to 1+1, 2-bedroom, and 3-bedroom. The occupancy date would be expected to be spring 2025. The highlight of this project, pay attention to, this is brought by the developer of Menkes. So we all know how prestigious Menkes is, together with Tridel and Concord, couple few the best ones. Menkes products, it's always the top-notch quality. They've been there for so long, and all those residents in Menkes projects, they would praise the quality and the design of the architecture. So I keep talking about how enjoyable the lifestyle would be if you choose this project, but it did not actually sacrifice the convenience of transit. We have 100% on transit score, 96 walking score, and 99 bike score. TTC is also at our footstep. Here, a couple facts about the distance. We are only 2 minutes walk to King Street, and which has 24 hours operation of TTC. 3 minutes, you get to go to George Brown College. And then St. Lawrence Market is just across the street, 400 meters. And even you need to go to Union Station. We use this as the access to the transportation hub. It's only 15 minutes walk. You can also go to CBD by public transportation. And pass the underground city's entrance is also nearby. So this is how convenient it is. So pretty much this is it about this project. It's open for signing mid-September. So it's at the invitation stage. If you are interested in this project, please contact me as soon as possible so I can send you more information such as price and floor plan. Looking forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.